30.
Listen to them injectors though.
Yeah, but it's getting better.
No, I'm saying listen to these ones, and then listen to these back here. And then listen back here. That's like a. That's like that pinging coming
If it
from.
was the injector, you would have a cold.
Listen to it though. You hear these ones,
Yeah.
and then you hear that one. Just regular ticking, that's pinging there. They all did smell like shit.
Let it run for a while. If you did the same stuff. Right, you said that last stuff. Yeah, you hear it smoothing out?
I still hear that pinging,
Yeah.
Hear these